If you'd like to start by introducing yourself.
My name is Yves Cohen. I'm a French filmmaker. This is my first movie. It's a short movie,
Yeah.
Letters to God,
Yeah.
and it was shot in Israel.
Oh wow! And why did you shoot it in Israel?
Well, I moved to Israel a few years ago in order to learn directing. Basically, I was working on the writing on a long movie before, but in order to improve myself to direct this long movie, I decided to move there for some reason. A part of the long movie takes place in Israel,
Okay.
so I thought maybe I'll take a chance to go there.
Yeah.
And this is what happened. When I moved to Israel, I was looking for a post office nearby my place. And on the internet, I found that there is a very special department of the Jerusalem post office which exists and deals with the letters that people from all over the world are sending to God.
Oh wow!
Yeah, that was exactly my reaction. And I said, well, it's a subject for a movie. And from there started the fact that started to imagine a story. So it's a complete fiction, a drama, and it's a film about forgiveness. And it takes place in an imaginary.
Yeah. I know
How
what
do you
mean.
say?
Like,
It's not the true place, of
No.
course. It's completely fiction.
yeah.
And it was shot in the old city of Jerusalem, and the inside was shot in Tel Aviv.
Oh right. Okay. And is that why you decided to set it in Israel? Obviously, because Jerusalem, God.
No, it's because of this information that
Right.
I found that it didn't make any sense to me from my point of view to shoot it somewhere else, because
Right.
this place
Actually
exists
exists.
only in Jerusalem. It's the only
Right.
place in the world where it does exist. And there is an international convention that anyone writing to God from anywhere in the world, this mail is transferred to this place. And these mail are considered sacred, and they are put once a year in the Wailing Wall, into the Wailing Wall.
Oh wow!
So based on that true fact, I invented a story.
Yeah. Okay. Does anyone ever read the letters? Just a question for me. Does anyone actually read the letters, or are they just put straight into the wall?
I see they are opened, the envelopes are open, and the messages are put in the
Right,
Wailing
okay.
Wall. I don't know how they proceed, because you were wanting to give them some answers,
Yeah.
maybe.
What were the challenges of making your first film?
What is?
The challenges, the difficulties?
Well, a lot of challenges. Basically, on top of being a first movie, it was abroad in a country that I'm not familiar with the language. Nobody knew me, but it was very exciting. I had to build a team. I had to, almost doing everything, connecting with people. So it was very challenging on many sides. Directing actors, getting the right translation for the script into the language. The film is shot in Hebrew.
Wow.
Yes, it was quite a nice challenge.
Yeah, you didn't make it easy for yourself for a
well-
first film, did you?
I agree with you.
What does it mean to show your film here today in Manchester?
Well, it means a lot. I'm wondering what will be the reactions, of course, and it's very nice. Also, I'm very grateful to the festival, because it's always important for us. It's a lot of encouragement to be able to show the work we've done. It's not only me; it's all a team, as you can imagine, and yes, it means a lot.